Hello, welcome back to Feng Cart. In this video, we are going to show you how to customize your global colors. First, let's start with Magenta Dream. We'll show you how the app looks with this vibrant theme applied. Next, let's try Deep Purple. Watch how the product listing instantly changes to match this elegant tone. Now let's select light blue. Notice how the app takes on a clean and refreshing look with this color. Finally, let's customize it with blue-gray as the primary color. We'll show you how the app looks once this custom theme is applied. With Feng Cart, customizing your global colors is just one click, and the changes are live instantly. No coding required. Try it free today and launch your app in minutes. See you in the next video.